Hello YouTube, back again here. Got a Tesla Model 3. It's got some problems. When you turn the vehicle left or right, it makes a squeaking noise. And also when driving the vehicle, it also makes a noise over bumps. Let's get back to the shop here and pick it up in air and figure out what's going on with this. The 2019 Model 3 here has some kind of suspension problems. We're going to pick it up in the air now and figure out what's going on here. Now that we have the Tesla in the air, you're going to want to turn around and come to the bottom of the vehicle. And I removed this cover here to expose underneath of the vehicle. Underneath the vehicle here, you have a rack and pinion that goes from one side of the vehicle to the other that holds the tie rods to the vehicle. To pinpoint the noise, I'm going to use two people here and a stethoscope. One to turn the steering wheel, and me, I'm going to sit here and confirm with a stethoscope that the rack and pinion is making noise. Tesla diagnosed it as a rack and pinion and gave the customer a bill. I was their second option and second opinion.
After sticking my stethoscope to the rack and pinion, it's definitely not the rack and pinion. It ended up being the upper ball joints had no grease, and these brakes are horrible, so we're going to change some brakes here. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, like and subscribe.